Hello guys, today I decided to harvest the rest of the potatoes that I planted in between the grapevines because something is eating them, as you can see, and yeah, I just don't want them to be wasted, so I'm gonna finish harvesting this little bit of a row and that's it really. So let's see what are we going to find. So these are the purple skin tomatoes, oh my gosh. Potatoes. Why I'm saying tomatoes, I don't know. It rained a bit a few minutes ago, but I said I will, take them out anyway, because look how at these holes inside here. So I don't know what's eating them, but there are big tunnels in there. These ones, they started to eat these ones as well. As you can see, the plant is not fully dried. Usually I would leave them until the plant was fully dried, but because of this I won't do this. I won't leave it any longer. And anyway, we're gonna eat this now in the summer. We are not gonna leave it for the winter, so it's fine. Looks like they are big ones, two big ones, yeah. I use the tool a little bit because the soil is a bit hard. See, they started to eat these ones too. They are really nice, considering I haven't watered them, just a little bit at the beginning and that's it. And I think what helped was that they were close here to the grapevines and they were covered in the grapevines leaves, and that kept them really moist. I think that's what, oh look at this tiny one. I think that's why they are so nice and big, compared to how little I help them grow. Okay, I need to use the tool because I cannot find anything. So I finished, and this is how much I harvested. And yeah, I'm happy with that.